Class 11th A, first chapter Living World. Biodiversity. Biodiversity refers to number and types of organisms present on Earth. They differ in morphology, size, color, anatomy, habitats and habits. Morphology that means appearance. कोई भी ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसा दिखता है, साइज, कलर, एनाटॉमी दैट मीन्स इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर, हैबिटेंट्स, these are the general characters of organism. Number of species described here is 1.7 to 1.8 million. Animals are about 1.25 million. Insects are about 1.025 million species. Plants are about 0.5 million. Systematics. Systematics that means sequence in order. They differ in morphology as anatomy. What is their internal structures? Habitats. Habitats that means किस एरिया में रह रहा है वो ऑर्गेनिज्म. एंड हैबिट्स दैट मीन्स हार्बिवोरस है, कार्निवोरस है, ओमनिवोरस है, या माउंटेन में रहता है, या होल में रहता है, या एक्वेटिक प्लांट या एक्वेटिक एनिमल्स. दीज आर द मॉर्फोलॉजी, साइज, कलर, एनाटॉमी, हैबिट. ऑल दीज कैरेक्टर्स डिफर इन different organisms. Number of species described here. Systematics that means systema, that means order or sequence. I need methodology. We need languages. Term often interchangeable with taxonomy. Taxonomy. Science deals with organisms and all these comparative and evolutionary relationship. Comparative and evolutionary relationship. Basic systematic studies are descriptions, identification, classification and nomenclature. Any specimen, कोई भी specimen हो, उसे समझने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें इसका डिस्क्रिप्शन देना पड़ेगा. डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म. देन वी अरेंजमेंट इज नेसेसरी हियर इन क्लासिफिकेशन. देन वी आइडेंटिफाई मॉर्फोलॉजी, टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ पार्ट्स फ्रॉम आउटसाइड टू लुक. बाहर से उसका अपीयरेंस कैसा है, वो कैसा दिखता है. देन वी नेमिंग. We need to specific categories. We need to require specific name. Different name in different areas. But we name different categories according to their morphological structures. Taxonomy. Taxonomy, it is the study of identification, classification and nomenclature of organisms. Originated with Plato, Aristotle, father of zoologist, Theophrastus, father of botany, Linnaeus, father of taxonomy. Taxonomy is the study of identification, classification, nomenclature and characterization of the organism based on external and internal structure, features of morphology, structure of cell, developmental process, ecological information. Ecological information that means वो प्लांट किस एरिया का है, ट्रॉपिकल एरिया का है, डेजर्ट प्लांट है, रेन फॉरेस्ट प्लांट है, या aquatic plant. Basic process of taxonomy will be characterization, identification, classification, nomenclature. First, understanding of characters of organism. For example, snakes, skin of snakes having scales on their body, so it included in reptiles, वो reptile को belong करेगा. Number 2, avils of feathers show in avils category, they belong to avils. Stomata, thick leaves, belong to desert plant like cactus. Mammary glands, mammals को belong करेगा. So these are understanding of characters of organs. External and internal structure of cell, development and processes, etc. Identification, correct description of organism prior to nomenclature. Classification, grouping of organism into categories on the basis of similarities and differences. On the basis of similarities and differences, we can naming of any other organism. Nomenclature, scientific naming of organism. In this way, we study about the taxonomy of any organism.